this is a great. Sorry, no pun intended. Hello, coalescing and what is it? Filter people. Welcome to another Bowtie Friday, and I'm glad you all made it here on this reasonably coolish Friday. And Sash, we're here today to discuss car park runoffs and hydrocarbon removal from rainwater and stormwater and things that come in that regard.
Well, it is winter. There's a lot of rain.
There is a lot of rain, and as you might see, we are currently positioned around a great.
It's a great.
It is a great. So, yeah, basically with these little numbers, if you've got them in your car parks, there's a number of councils right around Australia, a number of businesses right around Australia that have incorporated our little stormwater protection system, which is fantastic, and obviously foregoes the future liability of then dealing with runoff from hydrocarbon and stuff into rivers and estuaries and lakes and stuff, where all the piping goes after the water gets off your car park and goes into a pipe, where you may not know where that pipe goes to, but if it goes to a environmental sensitive area, for instance, you're going to have a problem, because the councils and everybody are going to trace it back to your business, they're going to trace it back to your area of employment, and you could be fined.
Yep, so this looks like a pretty small, easy solution.
Pretty simple system, simple.
Too simple.
You know, we just open up, we obviously open up the grate. You know, from there we have one of these little bits. Little insert that we put in, that we manufacture. We buy these in different particular sizes, and if you've got a grate that is an odd size, not a 600 or 400 or something along those lines, we get these things made up, which is little baskets, stainless steel baskets. So these just simply sit in to the actual unit itself, which is great. So that just sits into the main sump area itself, and then we have these things which we've talked about before, which are our MySelect snippet bags, MySelect's chemistry. As the water's flowing through these, the storm water's flowing over the top of these don't compress, they don't collect solid, they don't collect anything along those lines, but they will take hydrocarbon out of the water, and these after a period of time will saturate, but because of the little amounts of hydrocarbon that are coming through, in a lot of cases we've found over 12 months before these need to be replaced. So these just sit in the bottom of the container, and basically as the water runs across the top, the water then runs out, and then every 6 months you just pull them out, give them a wash, give them a clean.
It's a visual check. You can see how bright these are, and we'll show you a video, or photo I should say, of what they look like saturated. But it's a visual inspection.
Yeah, so these things just in a bag, even easy for me, people. I can just pull it up, throw it in there, the water runs across, and there you go. Your water's clean.
Yep.
You know, frogs are happy.
That's it.
And then you can, you've got no ongoing liability, obviously.
Yeah, and if you do have large amounts of rainfall, we know it occurs around the country, and it's a common question we get. You will not have any pooling or flooding in an area. These snippet bags will allow the water to flow through it and only capture the hydrocarbons.
Yep.
Okay?
Excellent.
Beautiful.
So, that's us. Look, we're glad you got it to the end of the week. Thanks for putting up with us and listening to another fantastic product that obviously we've got, MySelects has got. If you need any more information from this, put a message down below, or just give us a ring direct at the office. Look for our website, obviously, and go through. There's a number of different ways to get in touch with us.
Absolutely.
But get in touch with us and look after yourself, look after your people, make sure mentally you're going all right. Shout out to Mo at Mates in Construction. Obviously a great cause, so shout out to him. And above all, stay well, stay happy, and value your time.